Okay guys, here's another trade I took today on the 3rd day of September 2025. Still the same higher time frame narrative being bullish for the week. Although I know this is NFP week, I know the market won't be as productive or as expansive as we would expect on normal days. I know the market is saving the best of the expansion, the best of the outpour, the outburst for Friday, possibly. And that's why I guess the past days of the week up until today has been sluggish, kind of. So, but I did a small scalp, still running, and I'm being hopeful. And I'm expecting buy side liquidity to be reached. So, my high time frames analysis still stays being bullish on Euro USD. So this is what I saw on the lower time frames, precisely the 15 minutes time frame. Having seen all this buy side liquidity resting above price previous week's low, which I'm reasonably not expecting the market, this particular trade, to immediately run up there, maybe until the non-farm payroll numbers have been released. But so far, I'm expecting this market to at least deliver somehow to this area of buy side liquidity, which is this area of relative equal highs here. And if you look to the left here, we have a fair value gap here. That too is something to me. So this is what I saw on this price action today. The market opened here, where I'm going to place this vertical line. Market opened there. Okay, and London did its thing, consolidated, the accumulation phase, and then at exactly 3:15, which is the London silver bullet, which begins from 3 a.m. New York time and ends at 4 a.m. So that manipulation came down to, it took out Tuesday's low down here, took out the liquidity resting below Tuesday's low, and simultaneously the Asian low here. So that gave rise to this large expansion to the upside. This large expansion that broke market structure to the upside, gave us this fair value gap, and we have this bullish order block, this series of down close candles here. So, and I made my entry at this fair value gap. I missed it by about a few points there, and I made the entry there on my MT5 account, and I'm expecting higher prices to be met. So far the market has done its best, and I'm willing to hold the trade up until tomorrow and see what London has to offer, and most likely what New York has to offer, if it gives us the opportunity to drive price to this area of buy side liquidity, this relative equal highs, and the high of Tuesday's London session, and subsequently this series of relative equal highs where we had that fair value gap up there on this same 15 minutes time frame here, right there. So that's my narrative. Trade is still running, and let's see how that goes by tomorrow. So this is what it looks like on my MT5 account. The loss you've seen here is the loss from the long position I took yesterday, which was Tuesday, and which I just posted a video on that. So I made this entry right here, and I've trailed my stops just to mitigate losses, and let's see how that goes. Okay, so that's it. I hope you found this insightful. I'm a scalper, by the way, so let's see what the market can provide between now and tomorrow. Thank you.